Moral and life lessons, the key to keeping promises. In the quaint village of Harmonyville, nestled between rolling hills and a sparkling river, lived many friends. Each day they promised to help one another, but sometimes keeping their word proved challenging. One sunny morning, Max and Finn were planning an adventure through the forest. "I promise I'll help you find the rare blueberries," said Max, his eyes sparkling with excitement. But as they ventured into the woods, Max became distracted by a shiny pebble. Finn searched tirelessly, but the blueberries remained elusive. Disappointed and hungry, he trudged back to Harmonyville, having lost faith in Max's word. Meanwhile, back in the village, Max felt guilty for breaking his promise to Finn. He remembered their pact and realized that a promise made is a promise kept, not just when it's easy, but always. The following day, Max approached Finn in the village square, tears welling up in his eyes. "I'm truly sorry," he confessed. "I made a promise to help you find the blueberries, but I didn't keep it." Finn looked at Max, understanding the weight of his friend's words. "I forgive you," he said softly. "But next time, let's remind each other to always keep our promises." Max nodded, grateful for Finn's forgiveness. Together they ventured into the forest, renewed in their promise to help each other always. As the sun set, they discovered the rare blueberries, their laughter echoing through the forest. Max and Finn learned that a promise is sacred, a bond between friends, and a beacon of trust in their relationship. In Harmonyville, news of Max and Finn's adventure spread like wildfire. The villagers gathered in the square, marveling at their resilience and friendship. The children were inspired to honor their own promises, understanding that they too could make a difference. The wise village elder stood before them, her eyes twinkling with pride. "We have all learned an important lesson today," she said, her voice strong and clear. "A promise is a bond between friends, one that should never be broken." The children nodded, their eyes shining with determination. They linked arms, forming a circle in the village square, vowing to always honor their promises and never forget the lesson they had learned from Max and Finn's adventure. As the stars twinkled above, Harmonyville was filled with hope and unity. Max and Finn's adventure had taught them all that promises are sacred, and when kept, they forge unbreakable bonds between friends.